Welcome to the Young Trombone page. This is not necessarily for young people or kids, but this is for anyone who is just getting started out working with the trombone. Alright, so let's see how well this works. I'm using Audacity, but it's not working through the headphones, and I've tried multiple things and they seem to keep changing the program. But let's see how it goes. Thank you for checking out my trombone tutorial page. I appreciate it and look forward to seeing you again next time.